The 22nd of November 2014. A bus carrying around 60 people was travelling from Mandera to Nairobi, but it was waylaid by 15 armed gunmen. They identified non-Muslims and killed 28 of them, shooting them at point-blank range. Most of the dead were civil servants, police officers and teachers. Somali insurgent group Al-Shabaab claimed responsibility. Kenya's army responded quickly. It launched airstrikes against a militant camp across the border and claimed it killed over 100 Al-Shabaab fighters. The group later called that claim nonsense. The attack highlighted the threat of Al-Shabaab, and in response, hundreds marched in Nairobi calling for an end to the killings. And the government to do more. Kenya boosted security in the region, and government officials assured that everything was being done to protect Kenyans. But just 10 days later, despite the security, attackers struck again. Maria Galang, CCTV, Nairobi, Kenya.